Hey everybody and welcome back. For those of you that are interested in learning how to get Google Analytics set up for your website or web app, stay tuned. I'm going to cover the basics I'm going to cover two methods in today's video. So before we get started, don't forget to like and subscribe and check out the channel for new content. All right, so I have two different methods today. I'm going to cover the first one really quickly just because it's fairly easy. So if you are using a pre-built out-of-the-box website editor, so example, really just any drag and drop style interface, meaning you're not building the pages and the HTML code yourself, then most of them, when you go to your website builder, will have a settings option kind of like this. And if you want to connect something such as Google Tags Manager, you can click connect and type in your details here, usually the container ID or something that will tie it to your account, just like I've done here. Or they will also often allow you to put in some custom HTML code, and you would put that on the pages that you want to track. So that's method one. It is different based on web builders, but most of them have this Google Analytics option, or again, you can just put that custom HTML code in. Now, the second option is the actual HTML code itself. So regardless of if you do that method I just mentioned or you want to do the HTML method, you will need your Google Analytics account, and then you will need to set up a property. So we can go to the admin panel, and when we're here, we can click create, and then you'll see we can create an account or a property. If I go to property, it'll give me the option to name the property. So we'll call this one YouTube test. And then you can choose currency, time zones, etc. Then you would choose the business details and fill out anything that you might need to. Let's just say computers and electronics. And then you'll see what we're trying to do, and you'll see the details of your business objectives here. So let's just say we're wanting to raise brand awareness. When we click create, you'll see that we now have the ability to start collecting data, whether it be through any of these platforms. So we'll choose web for now, and then you'll see we can type in our website. Now, once you do this, you'll have the ability to create this stream. So if I did codelessfix.com and I just called it codeless, we'll see that I have the option to now click create stream, which I will delete shortly. But the point here being, I have a stream ID as well as a measurement ID that I can copy, but you have a couple of different ways to do this. So you'll see right here that we have all of these different options, but there's a button here for view tag instructions. And when you click this, it'll say installation instructions. So you can choose your platform from here if you're using a website builder or CMS, or if you go to install manually, and then you can just copy the HTML code here, and you'll insert that on whatever web page. So I have a codelessfix.app website. If I decided I wanted to put it on that home page, here's the HTML code for that home page. Typically, you'll want to put it in or around the head tag. So the idea is if I found out where I wanted to put it, just for the sake of making it easy to read, I could paste it in right here. And then all of a sudden, typically it'll take a little bit of time, but at least it would then start working and gathering that data. So that's really all that there is to it. So again, multiple ways, but that's the two easiest. And then once you've done that, you have the ability to scroll through all of your different metrics, and you can even customize these dashboards and add in a ton of extra options and view additional reports. So I hope this was helpful. If you have any questions, drop them in the comment box below, and I'll see you all in the next video.